before we open, are you expecting a boy or a girl? And anything!
SB19 did a gender reveal amidst a sound check in Toronto Simula at Wakas World Tour concert. SB19 is always ready for any random moment basta para sa 18. Tulad na lang nito na may fan in Toronto na nag-request na sila ang mag-gender reveal.
Where's the parent? Where's the mom?
Where's the mom? Oh, you're there?
Her name is Anna.
So wait, before we open, are you expecting a boy or a girl? And anything!
It's a dog.
Good news! It's a lizard!
Wait. How many months are you pregnant? Huh? 4.5, and you're in mosh pit. Okay. Wow.
You're in mosh pit.
Are you excited? Okay.
I mean, I know no matter what, she will love the kid.
Okay, everyone, let's count from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Before we open, pera o bayo! Pera, same. Okay, are you guys ready? Let's open it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ready na ba agad? Ano yung sa mga ata eh?
Oh,
So, another one. Dito ba?
It's another one.
Another envelope. Okay.
Oh no, it's another envelope.
okay. One more time. 3, 2, 1.
It's a girl!
What would you name
It's a girl.
her?
Congratulations.
What would you name her? Tayo na mag-isip ng pangalan niya.
Let's sign, guys. Let's sign.
Wow. Congratulations, Anna.
Congratulations. It's a baby girl.